Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and today we're going to do a video on how to take a beautiful bouquet and turn it into another arrangement at home. With Valentine's coming up, we know a lot of lucky ladies are going to be receiving some beautiful flower arrangements, and there's more you can do than just sticking it into a vase with water. And let's get started. So today we're going to start with this little dish. We call them dog dishes, and what we do is we use a piece of foam in with them. So this is like a professional grade flower foam, and for this particular one we only need a third of this block. I've already cut off a third to soak it, but it's super easy. Just give it a slice, and now we have the perfect size that will fit in here. So I'll get the one that has already soaked. Just pull it out of the water, stick it, press it right in that dish. Now the next thing we do is we secure it with just a few pieces of floral tape. And if you would like to purchase some of these dishes and foam and tape, we have those available for you. I'll put the link here in the video. Okay, so this is the pre-moistened flower foam. This is a professional grade. It soaks up water really quickly. If you're using like a cheaper made one, it can take like 10 minutes to soak up, and it's not going to work as good. So we recommend buying this foam from us. And for this in particular, I got a bouquet of roses, which I just absolutely love the color, and my kitchen smells amazing from them. They smell so good. And a big bundle of baby's breath and a bundle of greens. So we are going to start today with the greens and build on that, filling in with the color. And these are pretty standard. You might often see mixes that have just the three together and not buying them separately, but for this video I wanted to do them like this. So you might often get a bouquet that has these things in them. You can separate them for putting together your dog dish or different little vases. So we're just gonna trim these because we definitely don't need it that long. We're gonna trim it in a way that we can use both pieces. Like that. And trimming the bottom. You can use scissors or cutters for that. So when we start this, I'm just gonna use this box. Just gonna put this up on a box for you guys to see a little better. Yeah, that's on the camera a little more. And we're going to start in the corners. So we do this the same way with our winter greens. So we're gonna kind of do it symmetrically and build different layers. Would you like to help? No. Paige is watching me do this. She said no. Okay, I love these mixed greeneries. There's a lot of pieces we can use in here just by cutting it kind of strategically. And as soon as you have that trimmed, you want to get it right into the foam. And if you think some pieces are sticking out too long, like when you look at it from the top looking down, you can just pull it out and trim it too and put it in a new hole in the foam. So I'm just building up my corners now, and it's already looking quite full. Okay, now there are various types of ferns in here as well. I don't know all the names of them. That looks like a Boston fern. But I will trim and put some of these greeneries in. Oh, hi boys, do you want to help me make a floral arrangement?
Good.
She's not doing a milk.
Ryder doesn't want to. Ryder, do you remember when you made one of these for Valentine's?
No, I don't, actually.
You did.
I don't think I did.
You did.
Did you give it to me? I don't remember making one.
Yeah, I think 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Okay, next I'm going to start putting in the baby's breath. And last, I'll put in the roses. There's so many pieces you can cut off of these for different lengths and stick them in. Okay, now for more green. There was construction in the background, so I'm voicing over here, but we love how this looks with the greenery and the baby's breath. Now to head to the roses. Now we get to add the roses, my favorite part. I love this blend of pink and cream roses. It's important when we add the roses that we remove the leaves. The leaves can rot and they do suck up extra water, which isn't needed. And a little trick to get them to puff out is to blow air into them. Watch how I do this. It's so much fun to see these arrangements come together. The finishing touches, adding the color. I absolutely love the roses. And as we cut each stem, we are removing the extra leaves and we are rolling it or puffing air into the center of that rose just to get it to puff out a bit more. And we decide to put a few things in the middle and we are going to add some greenery.
Two.
I can edit that out.
Okay.